Animal Survival Skills. Welcome back to Learning Hive. Today we'll explore animals and their amazing survival skills. Each one has adapted to survive in deserts, oceans, forests, icy poles, and even the skies. Let's begin our wild journey through nature's survival tricks. Camouflage Masters. Camouflage masters refers to organisms that are exceptionally skilled at using camouflage, a tactic of blending into their environment to hide from predators or sneak up on prey. Chameleon, found in Africa and Madagascar, it changes skin color to blend in with trees, leaves, or sand. This not only hides them from predators but also helps control body temperature. Stick insect. Looks exactly like a twig. Found in Asia and tropical forests, predators often ignore them, thinking they're just branches. Leaf insect. Green, flat, and shaped like a leaf. Some even have spots that look like bite marks. Octopus. Cuttlefish. Related to octopus, it flashes colors and patterns instantly to hide or confuse predators. Tiger. Its orange and black stripes blend with tall grass in Indian and Asian jungles. Prey often doesn't see them until it's too late. Snow leopard. Lives in Himalayan mountains. Its spotted gray-white fur makes it almost invisible against rocky cliffs. Hibernation experts. Hibernation is a way animals conserve energy to survive adverse weather conditions or lack of food. It involves physiological changes such as a drop in body temperature and slowed metabolism. Brown bear. Sleeps through winter in caves, surviving on fat stored in its body. Heartbeat slows from 50 beats per minute to 8. Bat. Hibernates upside down in caves. Some species lower their body temperature close to freezing. Hedgehog. Rolls into a spiky ball and hibernates under leaves. Arctic ground squirrel. The only animal that lets its body temperature go below freezing yet survives. Box turtle. buries itself in mud or leaves until spring returns. Wood frog. Freezes solid in winter. Heart stops beating, but when spring comes, it thaws and hops again. Migrators. Animal migration is the regular, often seasonal, long-distance movement of animals from one habitat to another, driven by factors like finding food, water, or to avoid harsh weather conditions. Monarch butterfly. Flies up to 4,500 kilometers from Canada to Mexico every year. Wildebeest. Moves in herds of millions across Africa to find grass and water. The herds follow the seasonal rains to find nutritious grasses, as the migration is a continuous, year-round cycle of movement. Arctic tern. Flies from Arctic to Antarctic and back, traveling 70,000 kilometers yearly, the longest journey of any animal. These lightweight seabirds are skilled gliders and can even sleep while flying. They are also known for their fierce aerial defense of nests, where they dive-bomb perceived threats. Salmon. Born in freshwater, they swim to the ocean, then return upstream to lay eggs. Caribou, reindeer. Travel hundreds of miles across tundra, facing snow and wolves, to find food. Humpback whale. Migrates from cold Arctic waters, feeding, to warm tropical seas, breeding. Desert survivors. Camel. Stores fat in its hump, can survive a week without water, and drinks 150 liters in one go. KangarooRat. Leaf in North American deserts. It never drinks water, instead, it gets moisture from seeds. Fennec fox. Its big ears act like air conditioners, releasing heat. Scorpion. Hides in burrows during hot days, hunts at night. Some glow under UV light. Desert tortoise. Can store water in its bladder and survive months without rain. Oryx. A desert antelope that can go without water for weeks. Cold climate experts. Emperor penguin. Survives Antarctic winters by huddling in groups of thousands, taking turns on the outside. Polar bear. Has black skin to absorb heat, under 2 layers of fur. Seal. Thick blubber keeps them warm in icy seas. Arctic hare. White fur blends with snow, and powerful legs escape predators. Musk ox. Grows a woolly coat warmer than sheep's wool. Defense experts. Pufferfish. Inflates into a spiky ball when threatened. The puffer is harmless, unless eaten. The liver, intestines, gonads and skin are highly poisonous. Porcupine. Sharp quills that stick into predators. Opossum. Plays dead, fooling predators. Bombardier beetle. Shoots boiling hot, stinky chemicals from its abdomen. Skunk. Sprays foul-smelling liquid that can be smelled from a kilometer away. Ocean survivors. Clownfish. Lives inside poisonous anemones that protect it. Shark. Uses special organs to sense the tiny electric signals from prey. Sea turtle. Travels thousands of miles to lay eggs on the same beach where it was born. Starfish. Can regrow lost arms, even a whole new body. Electric eel. Produces shocks of 600 volts to stun prey. Group survival and communication. Meerkat. Stand on guard while others forage, warning the group with alarm calls. Honeybee. Does a waggle dance to show hive mates where flowers are. Elephant. Sends low-frequency vibrations through the ground that others feel in their feet. Wolf. Hunts in packs, using teamwork to take down large prey. Dolphin. Uses clicks, whistles, and even names to communicate. Ants. Build giant colonies, farm fungi, and defend their queen together. Unique survival tricks. Sloth. Moves so slowly that green algae grows on its fur, helping it hide in trees from predators like jaguars and eagles. From camouflaging like a leaf to migrating across the planet, from freezing and thawing to using teamwork, animals show us that survival comes in many forms. Nature is a master teacher, and maybe one day, you will discover an adaptation we haven't even seen yet.